Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is now the 20th video I've actually made on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor. Now it's worth mentioning this is the 3.8 litre V6 model, and that is of course petrol. So the mass airflow sensor is located underneath the bonnet. To get inside there, we're going to use our key in the middle. Just unlock that like so. Undo each of your clasps. Just in the middle above the Jeep badge, there's a lever. You're going to push that to the right. Then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. So with your bonnet now safe and secure, we can just go ahead and look inside the engine bay. This is of course your air box where your air cleaner is. I've actually made a video on how to remove that. And just looking along the induction system, this is our mass flow air sensor. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that red clip back, and then that should allow us to remove the electrical connection by pulling that lever down like so. Just take the electrical connection off, and then that would allow us to actually twist and wiggle the sensor out. So this is actually our mass airflow sensor. So before you go ahead and buy a new one, it is worth checking out which model yours is, or take this into the shop. To put the new one back in, all we're going to do is line it up with a hole, put it straight back in, making sure it's safe and secure and locked in there. And then we're going to pop that in, and then of course return your clip like so. Nice and easy. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.